Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about how to insert n geometric means between a and b, and in this video we are going to discuss about harmonic progression. So if suppose we have a sequence a1, a2, a3, so on up to an, where none of the terms is equal to 0, then this sequence is said to be in harmonic progression if the sequence which has the terms reciprocal to the previous one, that is 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a3, so on up to 1 by an is in arithmetic progression. So if suppose we take a simple arithmetic progression with first term a and common difference d, then the arithmetic progression will be a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on up to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if we take a sequence with the terms reciprocal to this arithmetic progression, then the sequence will be 1 by a, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, 1 by a plus 3d, so on up to 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this sequence is said to be in harmonic progression. Now let's take a simple example to see a harmonic progression. So if I take a equal to 1 and d equal to 2 in the above sequence, then this will become 1 by 1, 1 by 1 plus 2, 1 by 1 plus 2 into 2, 1 by 1 plus 3 into 2, so on up to 1 by 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Then we'll have 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 1 plus 4, 1 by 1 plus 6, so on up to 1 by 1 plus 2n minus 2. Now the sequence will become 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, so on up to 1 by 2n minus 1. So when the terms in the sequence follow this pattern, then we can tell that the terms in the sequence are in harmonic progression. Now you can see that when we take the reciprocal of these terms, it will become 1, 3, 5, 7, so on up to 2n minus 1, which is a AP with first term equal to 1 and common difference equal to 2. Hope you understood well. Thank you.